Welcome everybody to Patriot. My name is Andrew, and today we're going to be doing another ammo test with the Remington Core-Lokt. This is the 140 grain soft points. We are going to see how accurate this stuff actually is at 100 yards. Hope you like the video. Alright guys, so got some of this Remington Core-Lokt 140 grain. We're going to do a 3-shot group and see how well it does. And yes, I'm using the same target from previous videos because I am cheap and targets are getting expensive. All right, we will be going lower left. All right, let's go check out that shot group. All right, guys. So that Remington Core-Lokt for 140 grain soft points, that stuff is really spot on, actually. So this is that group right here. I would honestly have to say that is extremely good hunting ammo right there. I will be making a video with the normal whitetail and see how well that one does. So as of right now, for hunting purposes, I would definitely be going with the Remington Core-Lokt 140 grain. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and remember, just Patriot. Thanks guys.